Welcome back to Business English Desk. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie.
And honestly, today's episode, this one is so good.
She says that every week, guys.
Okay, but this time I mean it.
All right. What are we talking about today?
So, we are diving into phrasal verbs, specifically get phrasal verbs.
Ooh, okay, I like this.
Right? Because get is like one of the most common words in English.
Totally. You use it every single day.
Every single day. But here's the thing. When you add a small word after it, it completely changes the meaning.
Like, completely.
And today, we're covering 4 big ones. Get along,
Get on
get over.
and get around.
Yes! These 4 come up all the time. In offices, in conversations, in emails.
Everywhere, honestly.
So, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button
Yeah, don't forget that.
because we drop new episodes every week, and we make English feel actually fun.
That's the goal.
Okay, let's get into it.
See what you did there?
I did that on purpose, obviously. Okay, first one, get along.
So, what does this one mean?
All right, think about this. You start a new job, right?
Okay.
And someone asks you, how are things going?
Yeah, totally common.
And you say, oh, I get along really well with my coworkers.
Ooh, so it means you have a good relationship with them?
Exactly. Get along means to have a friendly, comfortable relationship with someone.
Okay, I love that. It's like you don't have to be best friends.
Right. It just means things are smooth.
No drama.
Exactly. No drama. So in the workplace, you'll hear this all the time.
Like in interviews, right?
Yes. Oh my gosh, great point. Interviewers love asking, do you get along well with different types of people?
And the answer is always yes.
Always yes. But seriously, it's a real skill.
100%.
Okay, so let me give you a few example sentences. Ready?
Hit me.
She gets along with everyone on the team.
Nice.
I didn't get along with my old manager, honestly.
Ooh, relatable.
Too real?
Little bit, yeah.
And this one. How are you getting along with the new software?
Wait, you can use it with things too?
Yes, that's the twist. Get along can also mean how are you managing or progressing with something.
Whoa, so it's not just about people?
Not just people. Like, how are you getting along with that report?
Meaning, how's it going?
Exactly.
That's super useful.
Right? Okay, one more thing about get along. In British English, people often say get on to mean the same thing.
Oh, wait, that's actually our next phrasal verb.
Smooth transition, right?
I see you, Laura. Okay, so get on. Now this one has a lot of uses.
It really does. So let's break it down.
First meaning, like we just said, in British English especially, get on means to have a good relationship.
Right. So do you get on with your team means
Are you on good terms with them?
exactly. It's like get along's British cousin.
I love that. Okay, but there's more.
Oh, there's definitely more.
Second meaning, get on means to make progress or to move forward with something.
Ooh, yes. Like your boss says, can you get on with the presentation, please?
Meaning, just start it. Stop waiting. Do it now.
Basically. Or, we really need to get on with this project.
It has that sense of urgency, right?
A little bit of pressure.
Just a little.
Okay, third use. And this one's more literal. Get on means to board something, like a bus, a train, a plane.
Oh, right. Like, get on the train before it leaves.
Yes. Or, she got on the flight just in time.
Phew, cutting it close.
Been there.
Okay, so we have get on equals good relationship.
Get on equals make progress.
Get on equals board a vehicle.
And here's one more. Get on can also describe how someone is doing in life.
Like overall?
Yeah, like someone asks, "How are you getting on?"
And they just mean, how are you doing? How's life?
Exactly. It's like a casual check-in.
I love that. Okay, so quick recap.
Get on is busy.
It really is. But context makes it clear.
Always. And the more you hear it, the more natural it feels.
Promise.
Okay, this one is my personal favorite.
Oh, yeah?
Get over.
Oh, man. This one is so real.
It really is. So the main meaning of get over is to recover from something.
Like emotionally or physically.
Both. So think about a breakup.
Ooh, we're going there.
We're going there. She still hasn't gotten over her ex.
Meaning she's still not okay, still healing.
Exactly. Or, more professional, I'm still getting over that terrible presentation I gave.
Oh, no.
Right? Like you feel embarrassed or upset and you just can't move past it.
Been there.
We've all been there. But get over also works for physical illness.
Like colds, flu.
I'm finally getting over this cold.
Meaning I'm recovering, getting better.
Yes. So get over equals recover. But wait, there's a second meaning.
Ooh, what?
Get over something can also mean to stop being shocked or surprised by something.
Like what?
Like if someone says, "I still can't get over how cheap that flight was."
Oh, like you're amazed.
Yes, you're still surprised, still in shock,
That's a fun use.
right? Or, "I cannot get over how good that coffee was."
Just amazed by the coffee.
Honestly, valid reaction.
Totally valid.
And then there's the very casual, direct version.
What do you mean?
Like when someone is being dramatic and you just say, "Get over it."
Oh, yeah. Like, move on, stop complaining.
A little harsh, but people say it.
It's very real.
Very, very real. Okay, but here's a quick exercise. Ready?
Let's go.
I'm going to describe a situation and you tell me if it's get over or not.
Okay.
Your friend failed a job interview 2 years ago. He still talks about it every week. What would you say?
Dude, you need to get over it.
Yes. Perfect. Listeners, try it yourselves at home. Make your own sentences. Use get over with something real in your life.
That's the best way to remember it.
100%.
All right. Last one.
Get around.
This is a good one.
Okay, so get around has a few meanings too.
Honestly, these phrasal verbs are multi-talented.
They really are. Okay, meaning one. Get around means to move from place to place.
Like physically?
Yeah, like transportation. How do you get around the city?
Meaning, what do you use? Bus, car, bike?
Exactly. Or someone says, "It's hard to get around here without a car."
Right, like mobility, moving around.
Yes. Okay, meaning two, and this one comes up so much in business.
Tell me.
Get around can mean to find a way to avoid something or work past an obstacle.
Ooh, like a workaround?
Exactly. Like, we need to get around this budget restriction.
Meaning, find a way to deal with it, work past it.
Yes. Or, is there any way to get around this policy?
Every employee ever.
Literally everyone. You're not breaking the rule. You're just finding a way around it.
A very diplomatic way to put that.
I try.
Okay, what's the third meaning?
So, get around also means to eventually do something you've been putting off.
Oh, like, I'll get around to it.
Yes, that phrase, "I'll get around to it," means I'll do it eventually. Maybe not now, but someday.
This is the most relatable phrase in English.
Honestly, I say this every week about cleaning my apartment.
Same, every week.
I'll get around to it. Ugh.
Classic.
But in a professional setting, you might hear, I haven't gotten around to reading that report yet.
Meaning, I haven't done it yet, but I will.
Right. It's polite, not rude, just honest.
That's super useful, like in emails too, right?
Totally. I'll get around to reviewing your proposal by Friday.
That sounds professional.
And real. People actually talk like that.
Okay. One more meaning?
One more, yes. Get around can also mean when news or information spreads.
Oh, like gossip?
Like gossip, yes. Word gets around fast in a small office.
Oh my gosh, so true.
You know it. Or news of the merger got around quickly.
Meaning everyone found out fast.
Right. The information traveled.
I love that.
It's such a natural phrase.
Okay, so get around equals
Move from place to place.
avoid or work past something
Do something you've been delaying.
and spread information.
Yes, all four.
Whew, that's a lot.
It is. But honestly, once you use them a few times,
They stick.
they stick so fast.
Okay, can we do a quick role play?
Yes, I was hoping you'd say that.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, scenario. You just started a new job. Your friend texts you after your first week.
Got it.
All right, I'll be the friend. Hey, how are you getting on at the new job?
Honestly, really well. I get along with almost everyone on my team.
Oh, nice. Any issues?
Well, there's this one complicated system we use. I haven't gotten around to learning it fully yet.
Uh-oh.
But I think I'll get around the problem by asking my colleague for help.
Smart. And your manager?
Oh, she's amazing. I still can't get over how supportive she is.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Did you hear that, listeners? He used all 4 phrasal verbs.
Did I?
Getting on, get along, get around, get over.
Wow, I didn't even plan that.
That's the magic. When you know them, they just come out naturally.
That's the goal, right?
That is exactly the goal. Okay, let's do a quick recap.
For everyone listening,
Get along
good relationship with people.
or making progress with something.
Get on,
Good relation, making progress,
boarding something.
or asking how someone is doing.
Get over,
Recovering from something emotional or physical.
or being amazed by something.
And the direct get over it.
Get around,
Moving from place to place,
avoiding an obstacle,
doing something you delayed.
and word spreads.
Beautiful.
That's a solid episode.
I'm really proud of this one.
You say that every week too.
And I mean it every week. Okay, before we go, your challenge for this week.
Oh, I like this.
Pick one of these phrasal verbs
Just one.
and use it in a real conversation this week.
Even just once.
Once is enough. You use it once and your brain remembers it forever.
That's actually how it works.
Science.
Full science.
And if you want more practice, leave us a comment below. Tell us which phrasal verb you're going to use.
We read every comment.
We really do.
Shout out to everyone who commented last week.
You guys are the best. Seriously.
Okay, don't forget. Don't forget to like this episode if it helped you,
Subscribe if you haven't already,
and share it with someone learning English.
because learning is better together.
Always.
All right, everyone. This has been Business English Desk. I'm Laura,
I'm Jamie.
and we'll see you next time.
Get along, get on, get over, get around, people.
Live your best phrasal verb life.
Bye.
Bye.